So I don't normally do these unboxings, but I bought some stuff from Ulanzi recently. Ulanzi, is that how you pronounce it? I don't know. Always liked them. They've been quite a good brand, I thought. Not that I've ever had any of their products before. These are the first ones that arrived. So the interesting thing is I ordered both these things together, but they arrived a day apart. So not so sure about how green and efficient that is. Anyway, so let's just get everything up. Let's go see what we can get. I don't know what's in this one. See that? What is it? It is a VL49 RGB Pro. Dinged. Don't know what happened there. I don't think that was me. Thank you for your purchase. Fantastic. Can we see how to get into this? Is that release it anyway? So much for unboxing. Now you know I don't do these things very often. Pop. Well, there we go. Okay, so this is a little light. This is quite cute. Okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, look. Lights. Oh, we can go flashy. More flashies, blue flashies, cop cars, and just want to brightness. Is it bright? Do we need it today? Because we're up in the clouds. No, not really. Down. Well, anyway, so that looks like quite a cute little light. Play with that in good time. Ta-da! So this is the new UMIC wireless, because although I don't do very much video, the little bit that I do, the audio has always been quite tricky, and it would be nice to get some decent audio for those occasions that I need when I need it. So here we go. This is apparently a brand new product, so newly launched. It's the AM18 UMIC wireless. Let's get into the box without further ado. There we go. Let's do that. Look, there's a nice manual. Am I going to read it? Yes, I am. Am I going to read it without my glasses? No, I'm not. I'm going to need my glasses to read that. Right over here. Precious. That's quite neat. It's going to be very nice. And there's also a box full of cables, I guess. We'll get back to that in a bit. Let's get to the main bits, the interesting bits. Done with that. Let's have a look. Done. Okay. Oh, it's okay, so they're a bit smaller than I expected. That's quite a nice size for a microphone. Clip on there. And that would be the receiver. Again, I think that's pretty light, compact sort of size. Let's see how that goes. Obviously there's two of them. So it's in terms of unboxing, and yeah, so far I'm very impressed. This looks like a very nice little package, and it's probably going to help a lot, given that you can probably barely hear me at the moment. It's got all sorts of little gadgets there, and cables, got the fluffies, nice bag to carry it all in. Okay, this is going to be good. Yeah, nicely packaged. I quite like that this sort of box is as it is. Everything's nice and neat. Would be nice if the cables kind of fitted in with it. We'll see how that goes. Right, there we go. That's an unboxing of a few Ulanzi products that arrived this week. And maybe I'll do a review once I've experimented with these microphones a bit more.